Europass, opening doors to work and training in Europe. Welcome to the video tutorials channel of Europass Spain. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the tool to create the DME mobility document. The Europass mobility document is a document that is processed online electronically using an in-house CPA tool called Europass Mobility. The best way to access the application is to enter the Europass Spain website. First of all, therefore, enter www.cpa.es, and once you have entered, click on Initiatives, then on Europass, and once you are in the Europass page, go to the Documents of Interest menu and click on Europass Documents and then on Mobility Documents. To start filling the document in, we have to register as tutors. To do this, we have to click on the Management module. Here, if we do not already have a user ID and password, we have to register by clicking on Register. We have to fill in the details required in this window, and by doing so, we will create our user ID and password. We only need lowercase letters and numbers. Also, we have to select the organism that will validate the document. This can either be our autonomous community or the CPA. When we have our user ID and our password, we can enter the application without further ado by clicking on Enter Directly. When we enter, we will see a window with the different steps in which a DME document may find itself. To create a new document, click on New Document and then on Create a new document from scratch. Fill in all the details in Spanish and/or English in the first 4 sections. If you do not know any of the details, you may type in a hyphen or some such similar symbol. Once you have filled in all the details and saved the document, this will now find itself in Step 1, List of Draft Documents. The document has already been created and now it is waiting to be reopened. When you open it again, 2 boxes will appear at the top in light blue. One of these we will use to forward the document to the host organization and the other to fill in the details that are missing. When we click on this box, Send to Host Organization, a window opens up featuring the email of the tutor in the host organization and the subject. The tutor in the host organization receives an email with a link to the document and its code. He opens the link and inserts this code into the only box that appears on screen. The document opens with the sections that he has to inspect or fill in. Then he clicks on the box Validate, and by doing so, the document is automatically returned to the tutor in the sending organization, who will find it in Step 3. All that remains to be done now is to send the document to the autonomous community or to the CPA for its final validation. This is done by clicking on the blue box at the top of the document once it has been opened. The autonomous community or the CPA will automatically receive the document for revision and, if it is correct, for validation. When this step has been done, the document will appear in Step 6 and can now be downloaded. We know that it has been validated because it will have 2 codes on the top of the front page, the National Registration Code and the code of the document. To download the document, you have to click on the Consultation module that appears on the front page of the DME.